everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for HipKit Club featuring the August 2024 Hip Kits. Today I create my first layout using the gorgeous August kits, and I add some mixed media accents using the August color kit and the August 2024 Stitchable Flowers metal die set. First I cut out some flowers from white cardstock using the August 2024 Stitchable Flowers metal die set. Now I color the flowers. Therefore I use the ink pads which are included in the August color kit and a blending brush. I start with the leaves. I use the darkest color, which is called Persimmon. Then I color the blossoms using the peach fuzz ink pad for the smallest blossom, apricot for the larger one, and clementine for the largest blossom. Use a small brush and apply a darker shade of color to the center of each blossom. Now I add some hand stitching. I choose twining matching colors and stitch along the pierced lines of the leaves and blossoms. start with my layout. I layer my photos with 2 cards from the August Pocket Life kit and add some of the stitched flowers and a frame from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the August main kit. Then I add one of the layered chipboard stickers, which you can find in the August embellishment kit. Now I fussy cut some leaves and feathers from the Good Vibes Wild at Heart paper and add them to my page. I also cut out strips from the Good Vibes Dream Big paper and placed them above and beneath my layered photos. I add the first part of my title using alphabet stickers from the Puffy Phrase stickers pack, which is included in the August main kit. I add more stitched flowers, a tag die cut, 2 butterfly die cuts and a balloon. Now I choose one of the decorative border clear stamps which I included in the August color kit and stamp some borders using the Persimmon ink pad. I complete my title with the puffy alphabet stickers from the August main kit, and then I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. I tie the butterflies with foam pads. Add some puffy phrase stickers and 2 puffy hearts from the puffy phrase stickers pack. And a puffy sun and cloud from the mini puffy shape stickers pack, which is included in the August embellishment kit. I finish with some of the glittered mini epoxy shape stickers from the August main kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.